Hi guys, welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Today we're going to show you how to reset the service light on this 2013 Vauxhall Vivaro. Really straightforward on these. I just left it on just to show you the warning that's come up there. If you turn the ignition off, turn the ignition on, press and hold the accelerator pedal, press the brake pedal 3 times, and release both pedals and wait for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds you can turn the ignition off, back on again, service light's reset. It's easy as that. Thanks for watching guys. If you wouldn't mind clicking subscribe, it's much appreciated. Thanks.